Now to remove seats on Figma, first what you're gonna do is about understand through this video, through the moment that is really to be satisfied with the progress, that is to be about understandable on every single progress that we can start to realize. And this is really not paid, but it is still actually going to be really deserving for every single progress that you want through that. So first of all, what you're gonna do is about remove seats to go to admin console. So we can take that admin console over here and then start to see right now. Maybe you can find it on the plugin, but admin console cannot be found on the plugin. Maybe on the preferences or libraries. So if I wanted to make admin console library, does it actually work also? So that's may going on with another site. So what you see after that, to open list seats and select a seat and remove it. And this is all about, okay, so you can check out also the admin console of Figma in that, and you can start to see the AI can start to answer you, and you can remove seats immediately if you couldn't do it on this video. And that is all about